Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about related rate of change. So now I will show you how to answer. The altitude of a triangle is increasing at a rate of 3 centimeters per hour, while the area of the triangle is increasing at a rate of 8 square centimeters per hour. At what rate is the base of the triangle changing when the altitude is 10 centimeters and the area is 100 square centimeters? So now I will show you how to answer. We have the triangle in here. This is about the altitude. This is about the base. We know that the formula to calculate about the area of the triangle, that should be about 8 equals to 1 over 2 multiplied by the base with the height. So we need to do about first the derivative of the function for the both sides. First the derivative of a, we have dA over dt. And we know that we do first the derivative of b. We have db over dt plus, multiplied by h because we just do about b, plus we do first the derivative of h. This is about altitude. We have dh over dt and multiplied by base. This is about the technique to do about the product rule of the derivative. So the question they just provide 10 centimeters and the area is about 100 square centimeters. We have the altitude, we have the area. We can find the value of base in here. So I will put 100 in here. And the altitude is about 10. So we can find the value of base. So we multiply by 2 and then we divide both sides by number 10. So we will have about 20. Now the question they want to find what rate is the base. So they want to find about this one in here. We know this value in here. dA over dt is about 8. The altitude we have number 10. This one, the base, we just calculate in here. That's about 20. And the last one, the altitude is about 3. So we put all the number in here to find about dB over dt. So we put this one go to the left. This number we calculate that's about negative 30. So a minus 30, we have negative number 24. 10 divided by 2, we have 5. Divide both sides by number 5. We will have about negative 4.8. So that in this situation we have the negative side. That means the base of this triangle is decreasing by 4.8 centimeters per hour. And this is the final answer we need to find. This is the end. Thank you for watching.